water is a limiting resource in our world, and our labs really seek to highlight how that limited resource is used in a way to produce what we need. Our labs really are to keep people understanding how water is a limited resource, but how agriculture is not only using water, but being a good steward of the water resources that we have. In our science classrooms and in our curriculum, we always teach about the water cycle. So water is vitally important. Another great important thing about teaching water is the sustainability of our planet really hinges on a few basic things, water being one of them. We are able to show students how we can both improve human impacts and also what human impacts are causing on our global ecosystems as they are today. We have a lab about water conservation, we have a lab about water quality, and we also have a lab about water usage. So when we talk about water usage, we're talking about irrigation and how students perceive the use of different types of irrigation systems. So there are lots of different types of irrigation systems that are appropriate in different locations based on what their ecological situation might be. So we have one lab in the high school track that focuses on having students design their own irrigation system based on certain parameters that they themselves research. So it's a great way to get engineering design into the classroom. Our other water exercises and activities are about water quality and ensuring that the water that we do apply to the fields is used appropriately by the plants and also is not being degraded by using them in that way. So testing water quality is also vitally important. These labs are unique because it really allows students the opportunity to do some engineering and design. It gives them the opportunity to go through that process, identify a problem, figure out some possible solutions, implement those solutions, collect data, and then try it all again. These labs really help students be able to get that engineering design process going and to form a strong foundation from which they can learn about all different kinds of other phenomena as well. We don't often allow students a lot of time just to what we would call play with resources. Resources are hard to find in education these days, and being able to offer students an opportunity to really try and solve a true real life problem with a set of resources that are at their disposal is really quite enjoyable for them.